any piece of advice you would like to give the young aspiring writers and directors?
who
I
are
think
actually writing by themselves at this stage, and basically they do not get so much of privilege so that they can basically make short films, but they have some of the ideas in their mind. So any advice that you want to?
it's not about privilege. Shoot a film in which staring you at least, then write a monologue and act in that monologue. How bad, how good,
Mm,
but make you are a director. You have to just put your name. You are a director now. So don't stop yourself from like constraints. As I said, look around and keep your head cool and think what you can do out of it. And don't join film school if you think film school is the thing. Film school is not the thing, because
mm,
film school can give you connections can happen if you have good communication skills also. Okay.
right.
Right.
I think don't join film school, try and make your film. It will take time, it will
Yes.
be very hectic, very difficult. And I am not, I think I am not, it's like treating me as such a, I'm a guest here if you're treating me such good. But I would also say that if you do something really good and people will tell you that it was really great and so, don't let it get into your head. Always
Mm,
tell yourself ki yaar, people are out there who are struggling from years, and cavalry is not coming. That great hailing people will think यार तुम्हारे नाम के नारे लगेंगे ये वो. It's not
mm,
happening. Not happening. Just stick to your work. It's not everything you dream of a Porsche life, a Audi or something. It's not happening. It's no. It's if you think of those things, it will be sorry. If you think of those
Yes.
things, it will be not right if in your artistic part, because you will be corrupted. Okay, it would not be you. You will be a corrupted version of yourself. Don't let that
mm,
happen to you. Keep keep it personal, keep your work personal. If you think that writing this or the people will make fun of me, it's not. It takes balls to press that upload button, to press that.
Right.
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 Okay,
Exactly.
it takes a lot, and if you are part of that few people who do that, okay, you are a creator, you are a filmmaker. Okay, you have to have
Mm,
that arrogance in telling that I can make things, I can do this, I can do. You cannot do that. You have to have that thing in yourself, because the thing is, the environment is such that you you will might or might not get support from family. And I'm talking about
mm,
myself.
Right.
It is really difficult to get, because the thing is that we haven't seen any kind of art form as a profession. Indians, we
Hmm.
haven't
yeah.
seen that. So
Right.
filmmaking, such a huge population, people doing that, people more capable than you. So it's obvious that they will be worried. And keep keep on uh, keep on doing different, trying different things. Like writing is a skill, keep on writing as well, and try different
Mm,
things you like. Don't leave your education. पढ़ाई important है. Do education. People tell you छोड़ छाड़ के आ जाओ. It's not that. People who came छोड़ छाड़ के, they were so well read, well, means they
mm,
did something. They had something on their they had a degree with themselves, something, because
Right.
it's really unpredictable. चला तो चला, नहीं चला तो नहीं चला. It's like that.
Hmm.
yeah.
But it's the hard reality of this society, and this what do we say, this, the nature of this profession. But if you hang in there and be true to yourself, then you can make the difference, I think.
Okay.